Hello everyone, it's your trader Siyabonga, Forex lover, South African trader. In today's video I will quickly show you how to install indicators on Metatrader 4 platform. I want to also combine this video with showing you how to create your own template, your own Metatrader 4 template. So the first thing that I will do, I will show you on this demo account how you can create your own template for Metatrader 4. Let's get straight to it, my friends. I'll cancel this. When you open your platform, it will be obviously like this. Maybe yours won't have these indicators there at the bottom. I will right click and delete them, right click and delete them. So to create your template, you right click, then you go at the bottom and go to properties. A shortcut of going to properties, you can click F8. It will take you straight to the properties. It's very easy and simple, guys. You just click on the scheme, you select black on white, because I like black and white. Sometimes I also use a dark template, but for the purpose of this video we will just leave it as it is. We are finished now, and then we are just gonna right click, then we go to grid to remove the grid, then also right click and go to properties again. We'll go to common tab, then we untick period separators. Period separators are those lines, vertical lines that were like this. So those lines were showing us days of the week, such as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on and so on. So now we have already created our template. Let's save our template so that every time we want to trade with this template on a different pair, we can do so. Right click, then we go template, you go save template. I will rename this template black and white. You can rename to your name or to the name of your system, whatever you want to rename it with. So after we have done this, to install an indicator, we go here to file. On your Metatrader platform, it's usually this side of the screen where I am doing the circle. Where I'm doing the circle, you go that side, you will see file. Click on file. On this menu, I can't, let me just go there again. File, you're gonna go to open data folder. Open it. Open data folder. So after opening data folder, we're gonna go here on MQL4. We're gonna go there on MQL4. But before we go there on the MQL4 folder, first you must know where you have saved your indicator. So after I downloaded my indicator, I saved mine here on pictures. So yours, you might be other downloads, maybe desktop, I don't know, it will depend. Mine, I go here to new folder. I'm gonna select and copy my indicator. By the way, this is how the indicator looks. Isn't it? It looks good, guys, isn't it? because as you can see, you buy when this thing turn green, you sell, because this is more like indicators, or I mean this is more like moving averages, but an advanced form of moving average or algorithm. We go, okay, we are here again on this screen. We're gonna select MQL4, then we're gonna locate indicators under MQL4. Locate indicators. I want to do use my pen tool. We want to locate. I wonder, for some reason it's not working this side. I must put it this side maybe. I wonder why. But anyway, doesn't matter. Oh, here it is. So we'll go and show you where are the indicators. So you open this folder. Remember, you copied that file. What you can do, you can go here, up there, depending on the computer you are using. Mine, I'll go up here and create a new folder for this indicator. Another way to create a folder, you right click, you say new, you say folder. For the purpose, I'll write trend. Just write trend. You can write the name of the indicator. For me, I'll write trend, and then from the trend, I'll go there and paste my indicator. Paste my indicator there. So it is advisable, after pasting the indicator there, you must go ahead and close your platform. Close your platform. But that's not the only way to do things. If you don't want to close the platform like myself, you just go there and come here under indicators. Click on the indicators, then right click, click on refresh. After refreshing, there is a folder. My folder that I created earlier on will show under here. Then what you can do, you can drag your indicator and drop it here. If you don't drag and drop it, then click on OK. You see, here is my indicator. There is my indicator, guys. Because can you see how beautiful the indicator it is, guys? It crossed here, guys. It crossed here. All the people who were selling here, they were wrong. Those who were selling, they were wrong. If you sold here, you just took the profit here. Then it came all the way. So, in other words, as I show you on my technical analysis, this indicator can help you to stay on the right side of the market, because here you are not allowed to sell. But bear in mind, it doesn't mean you cannot sell. You can sell, but you must know when you are selling that you are trading against the trend. But for this purpose of this indicator, when the market was here creating a double top, that was a very good place to sell, because if you sold here, you know that you're gonna take your profit around these two moving averages. So when you're done, guys, you're just gonna say right click again. You will go to templates. You will go to we'll go to save. Then from save, you're gonna select the black and white name that you are select a name that you have created. Mine, remember, for me, I've created black and white. So I'll now select black and white and then say save. And then I'll say, it will say, do you want to replace? I'll say yes. So now let's go to another pair. Let's open two more pairs. We'll open the USD/JPY. Let's see if we could have used this and to trade, use this indicator to trade USD/JPY. You're gonna right click again and go to templates, and then you're gonna locate black and white. There you go. There you go, guys. As you can see, this thing is still green. It's still green. Actually, for us to sell here on this, we need to wait for the color to change to red. You can go ahead and backtest this after you have got this indicator. And also, you click here. You see here on the top, there is what? There's this one. There's this you click on it, and then it will allow you to go backwards. I want to show you, you only sell when the color change from green to red. You see? So a similar thing is happening on USD JPY. The market just spiked it down, just like here. It spiked here on this point I highlighted. It just spiked to the upside. But now, if you have bought here, the market could have reversed against you, just like what is happening right now on the current price. If you go back to the current price, you will see that if you sell here before this thing change color from green and black to red and maroon, that means the market have a chance of reversing against you. That's why most of the newbies or beginner traders, they say every time they click sell, the market turned against them. Every time they buy, the market go down and sell. It's because they are buying and selling at the wrong times. There's no timing. So let me show you. You can also go on the 4-hour. You can see here the reason that will make this thing go up is because on the 4-hour is still a strong uptrend on the 4-hour, as you can see. I'll do a bit of some sort of trend line. So this thing is coming to test the moving averages and also coming to test this previous resistance, which and support. So if you are selling on the 1-hour, you must know that you are selling to these moving averages, to this support and resistance. Then the market makers will say, thank you, my son, and drive the market to the upside. Okay, guys, remember and bear in mind, I'm not saying this will happen. I'm telling you something that can potentially happen on this market. So anyway, guys, right now, I think I have shown you enough. Let me show you the last pair, which will look at the daily and the 4-hour. We'll look at the daily and the 4-hour, which we will take something random as, let's take from Forex crosses, let's take maybe Euro NZD. Right click, remember, template, then we're gonna select black and white. We're gonna go to the 4-hour as I have promised. Look, guys, you have no reason of buying this pair because the indicator is showing very good signal for you. Look, there's even some space in between these two moving averages, which signals the strong selling. If this thing will continue like this, and these two things will continue like this until this market come all the way from here and break them and close above them, and also cross and change color. That's where you can look to buy. But anyway, that's a topic for another day. Let's go to the daily. This is the last pair. As you can see, on the daily is still a what? A uptrend. I bear in mind, I know the market is currently the market is going down, but if we are using this indicator, we're using this indicator to analyze the trend. This thing is still green. It's still green, and I won't be surprised if it turns here and go up, or turns here and continue to be green. I won't be surprised. So why we could have sold here is because the market rejected higher prices strong, and then decided it could go down from here. If the buyers were still interested in this price, they could have took the price to the upside, but hence the buyers created and sellers created this range. You see, so only after this range, after a candle close below this range, that's whereby you can look to do what? To sell on the 4-hour and 1-hour. But depending on your strategy, maybe you are a day trader or you're a scalper. But anyway, guys, that's what I wanted to show you today. And please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe on my channel, because If you still want to see more videos like this, leave a comment in the comment section. Please guys, I'm gonna continue making and creating these videos for you, because this is not a lonely business. Have a good and profitable week. God bless you all.